I'm Mr. Yana. Today we're gonna find some features of Volkswagen Vento TDI. First, you get ventilated seats and automatic window roller and a light controller. You get built-in wheel buttons. You get a dicky opener over here. You get seats here also. You get a roller over here. You get a roller front and back seats. So you get a built-in charger in this, and you get a built-in AC over here. You get a indicator and this. You get a 14-inch display. You get a AC roller. You have a big 6-inch display for checking. You get a automatic controller. You get a max cooler, and it's in all. You get a cup holder here and here. You can just convert into like this. Space over here, storage over here. Thing you can just pull and you can store over here, and you get a more space. So if you just build it, you'll get a like handbrake thingy. You get a airbag here, there. You get a cup holder here and more storage over. You get a Volkswagen speaker over here. Ventilated seats and extra seat and ventilated seats. And I'll show you a crazy thing. You could just control back, and you get a cup holder over here, and you get a AC ventilated. So you get this thingy. You get an extra glass. You get AC ventilated glass. You get brake light and ventilated AC glass. You get a bonnet over here, and you get a Vento badge and TDI badge over here, and built-in camera over here, and lights, sensor lights, and you get a 38 liters of storage and extra storage over here, and you get an emergency kit beneath it.